Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Ashad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. And the topic is zero Tylenol painkiller Advil Panadol policy are crimes against humanity. There are many laws which look like killing humanity, which includes medical benefits. Common painkiller medicines are acetaminophen, paracetamol, Tylenol, aspirin, Advil, Brufen, ibuprofen, etc. You need to consult your family doctor, which suits you, and you don't have any allergy with this. But when policies are like zero Tylenol policy, zero Panadol policies, it's a crime against humanity. We need to rethink and research, reanalyze each and every law and fix it to serve and protect humanity. Only then we can have heavenly earth. Many organizations as well as many countries are cutting their medical budgets mainly due to economic collapse. Since they didn't have any choices other than cutting their budgets, prices are skyrocketing. Things which are costing $1 hundreds years ago might cost $100,000 now, but income of general public has not increased that much. Many people have to face longer than usual lineup at the hospital, even in emergency. People might be facing hardship and might need emergency surgery, but since they don't have earlier signs of cancer or other emergency, doctors and other medical staff might be sending them back home or just delaying, which might take their lives. Unless patients are about to die, then doctor turns towards them in super emergency and only then try to treat them. There are shortage of doctors, shortage of nurses, and other medical staffs as well as hospitals all around the world. People might think to by collecting donation they can build new hospitals and save their countries, and they are one of the heroes, but that is not true. Similarly, many think that by taking loan after loan, one can save their countries and they are one of the heroes, but that is not true. No one can save their countries with collecting donations after donations or getting loans after loan. When one person are rich in developed countries, while other poor countries, it could be 0.00001%. That is one in millions. Now we are living in global world and we need to learn new techniques to work together to serve and protect humanity. Only then we can save each other. Otherwise, we all will be dead after some time. We need to promote more and more multiculturalism and stop blame games and fooling people and wiping out communities one after another. Since who knows, they could be next in line to be wiped out in their list. In the West, especially in Canada, we have seen benefits of multiculturalism. People are working together and even minorities are getting chances to enter into workforce at all levels and still lots to be done. But real and the best and easiest solutions are through globalization with true love with humanity to build heavenly earth. We can resolve many economic crises which is hitting hard in every sector, which includes medical and education. We need to join together from all around the world immediately before it gets too late and we lose all modern techniques and start over again from stone ages. Hiring robots is on the rise, firing people is on the rise. Expecting from people, not from the robots and machine, to push businesses. Robots and machines do not eat apple and oranges. So apple and oranges and their farms and their business will be bankrupt. I have not seen a single business doing. I have not seen a single business person doing very good businesses without any single customer. Remember, customers are human. A single machine may replace thousands of humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single machine. Only true love with humanity can save global world. We must join together to fight against global poverty and global famine. Plant fruits and vegetables in your backyard, on the side of the street, in the side of the park, etc., wherever and wherever it is possible and permissible by your government. If you get more fruits and vegetables than what you need, then share it with your neighbors, your friends, your relatives, and support following program from the depth of your heart to fix global system which is hurting all. For global solution to commodity-based wages salaries like in the ancient time, for global solution to chicken salary or rice salary in the noodle salary in the past in few years back, perhaps Ukraine or some other countries, they don't have on their reserves their money, so they had paid lots of chicken as a salary to their teachers. We invite you all for fixing global system to save and serve humanity. Thank you. Why waiting for savings for thousands of years when humanity lying now? Join together to save humanity now. Thank you.